Hey everyone, welcome back to Biambition. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in the Brave browser. Changing your search engine lets you use Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or another provider you prefer. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Brave browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines in the top right corner, then click Settings. Step 3, on the left side, click Search Engine. Step 4, under Normal Window or Private Window, click the Change button. And you can select your default search engine here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click Google. After that, all you have to do is click Set as Default. Step 5, once selected, Brave will now use your new search engine for searches from the address bar. And that's how you change the default search engine in the Brave browser. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to Biambition, and I'll see you in the next one.